Hi, it's me, Frankie, and today's video is all about editing our and now I'm going to show you
How to create your own background and cinematic text effect inside CapCut. First, create project, add default text, and drag it the text bar until your video how long is it. Then okay, let's clear the default text. Make sure no one letter in here. This space. Then click the space bar and set the font size into maximum, guys, and then go to background and select is your what you want, or what did you prepare color is it, either blue. For me, it's I give a dark blue, and this is like this. So it's up to you guys what you want color is it. Then if you are selected, then we're going to create a compound clip and go to video and select the mask. And let's go create mask. It's either to you guys whether you want it. This is for me is the like this, and you can adjust, you can play it what feather you want it. It's either to you guys. Then me is this. Okay, then I'm going to find particles in the library, guys. You want to select it what you like. Then it's a little bit spice so that there are some what is this called, just like a little bit spices like this, guys. So now I select this one, and I add that one. And of course we're going to the blend in the basic, guys. I just wait like this. So you see, it just only a black, so we're going to blend that one. So just go to basic, and we're going to find the blend blend portion. So that's one. So you need to lesser the blend, guys, so that it could be see the background and look like this, guys. And that's it. And now we're going to create the cinematic text effect now, and add default text, and you're going to type your text, and for me is cinematic for the example. And I'm going to find what font size it this is for me, and I'm going to change the color into what you are prepared to. This is for me yellow, like this. Just select what you want, and after that, guys, then if you finish that one, go to text bar and create a compound clip. Yes, compound clip, and copy this one, duplicate, yes, then paste it here. And we're going to undo the compound clip, guys, so that it can change the color for this, because I'm going to change to color white, this one. Okay, that's it. And after that, guys, okay, finish. Then just create again a compound clip, so that we're going to into video, then click mask, and I'm going to use the second one, this one, and like this, and change the position, guys, so that like this. So the what is called is the feather, you can adjust it also, guys. And let's add keyframe, guys, into the first, and move forward. Then just move this one like this. Okay, and be patient, guys, to make nice to be. Oh my god, this is called, let's do it. Okay, like this, guys. So and that's it. And now, guys, we're going to these two cinema, yung I mean this one, the two we're going to compound clip this one, the default text. And okay, now, and let's go add keyframe again in the beginning and go to the end. Okay, then we're going to put a keyframe and make bigger like this. Okay, and that's it. Okay, that's it. And thank you so much. This is now your cinematic text effect with background. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe me, guys. Click the bell notification so that you can updated a new uploaded videos in my channel.